This video shows you how to fix Samsung microphone not working issues in 2026. If your mic is not picking up sound during calls, voice recordings, or apps like WhatsApp, follow these simple and effective solutions step by step. Step 1. Remove your phone case. First, remove your phone case completely. Sometimes thick or poorly fitted cases can partially block the microphone area, especially the bottom mic. After removing it, try recording a voice note or making a call to check if the issue is solved. Step 2. Clean the microphone area properly. Now take a closer look at the microphone hole, usually located at the bottom of your Samsung phone. Dust, lint, or tiny debris can easily get stuck there and reduce sound quality. Gently clean it using a soft brush or dry cloth. Avoid using sharp objects because they can damage the mic. Step 3. Restart your device. Next, restart your Samsung phone to refresh the system. Press and hold the power button, then tap on Restart from the menu. This helps clear temporary system glitches that may be interfering with microphone performance. Step 4. Disable Bluetooth connections. Open the Settings app, then scroll and tap on Connections. From there, select Bluetooth and switch it off completely. Sometimes your phone automatically connects to earbuds or a headset. An audio input gets redirected to that device instead of your phone's microphone. Step 5. Check microphone privacy settings. Go back into Settings, scroll down carefully and open Security and Privacy. Tap on Privacy Controls and make sure microphone access is turned on. If it is disabled, your apps won't be able to use the mic even if everything else is working fine. Step 6. Fix app level permissions. Open the app where your microphone is not working properly. Long press the app icon and tap App Info, then go into Permissions, select Microphone Access and set it to Allow Only while using the app. This ensures smooth voice input without restrictions. Step 7. Update your software. Very important. Now open the Settings menu, scroll down slowly until you find Software Update and tap on it. Next, press Download and Install and wait for your phone to check the latest version. Keeping your system updated is very important because Samsung often releases patches that fix hidden bugs, including microphone-related issues. Final step. Possible hardware damage. If none of the above methods solve the problem, your microphone might be physically damaged. In that situation, the best option is to visit an authorized Samsung service center where technicians can properly inspect and repair your device. And that's it. These are the most reliable and easy methods to fix Samsung microphone not working issues in 2026. Hopefully, your mic is now working perfectly again.